If your iPhone doesn't have the battery percentage, it could be iPhone 11, or there are some iPhones that don't have the battery percentage. Even if you go to settings, you won't find anything that says show battery percentage. And that's why I made this video, guys. I want to show you exactly how you can show the battery percentage on any iPhone. Okay, now if you have iPhone that supports this feature, you just want to go to settings, as you can see. Now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of methods that you can do to show the battery percentage on iPhone. Now, you want to open your settings, like I said, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and click on battery. Now, after you click, guys, on battery, you will find here two different options. I know that there are some iPhones, they don't see here in the top battery percentage, they only see the low power mode. Now, if you can see here battery percentage, you want to toggle this on like this. If you toggle it off, you won't see anything in the top. If you turn it off, if you turn it on like this, you will see the battery percentage. Now, what if you don't have the battery percentage? Now, the only solution, guys, to do is to swipe to the yeah, you want to swipe to the left, and you will find here the battery. Press and hold on it, and then after you press and hold in it, drag it like this and put it anywhere you want. And now whenever you open your phone, you will see the battery percentage, or you can swipe from the top down like this, and you will see the battery percentage. I don't know why iPhone does this. They don't show the battery percentage on some iPhones. Now, like I said, guys, if you don't see here the battery percentage, just click edit at the very bottom, and then you want to click on this plus in the top right and search for battery, and then add the battery percentage. I hope this video, guys, if it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.